I want to put a little historical context on this system because it's by far the largest system that I have been personally involved in installing. Having been in business since 1991, the net metering, whereby the law where you can buy and sell electricity and have a contract with the utility to do that, came about in 1982. And from 1982 until 2013, that's 31 years, that basically created the market space that we played in. And so my business got very good at installing systems that were up to 40 kilowatts. When you go outside for our ribbon cutting ceremony, what you will see is 13 2-inch conduit pipes coming down off the roof. Each one of those carries the power from a 40 kilowatt subset of the whole system. So this is about 13 times larger than the systems that we've installed previously. Now, as was sort of mentioned by Leo, we did get into a little bit of a dust-up with Excel because the interconnection process was taking quite a long time, and we were new at it, and I think Excel was new at it, and we recognized, I think, that there is a cultural change that we each have to make in order to work together. We got real good. Actually, Excel was real good at doing routinizing the 40 kilowatt systems. It was just, you know, like the meter department guy could go out there, do the witness test, put the meter in, done. But you get up to a larger size. Now you've got engineering problems, electrical, that really has to be figured out. You've got more questions. So let me just say that I am very grateful that Leo showed faith in my company, that we would be able to address all those engineering challenges and come through with a high-performing system. And I also want to thank Excel Energy and Chris Clark in particular for his responsiveness once it came out that, you know, we were getting kind of snarky about the, you know, the time that it was taking. That's caused me to re-engineer my sales, design, and implementation process so that it more fits the interconnection requirements, you know, of a larger system with the utility. So we've gone through some real growing pains, and I'm real excited about doing a lot more of these. Also, let me say that because the law for the net metering was changed in 2013 from 40 kilowatt cap to a 1,000 kilowatt cap, 1 megawatt, that just has created a much larger opportunity for systems. 40 kilowatts really would be a drop in the bucket for you know, doing some meaningful solar power for a steel fabrication plant like this. 500 kilowatts covering most of the roof, that's about an acre and a half. Now that's some serious power, and it's a much more meaningful scale. So because of the change in the law and because of Excel's willingness to, you know, work with us, it just creates a lot of new players on the playing field. And so thanks to both of you for playing along and coming out to celebrate.